Channel where today we are talking about packing in a Ryanair underseat backpack for a Ryanair flight. So I am going to Romania for the weekend for a spa break. It's just myself, so I will be solo, but this is everything that I'm taking in my Ryanair underseat bag. So this is their Travel Hack Cabin Max backpack. It's a 20-litre backpack which fits exactly within the dimensions of Ryanair's Fly for Free bag. These are some tongue twisters in this one, but this is everything that I've got inside. So in the front pocket here, it's because it's so flat, I just put my leads in there, so I do just travel with the cables. And then in the side pocket here, it is an expandable water bottle pocket. So at the moment, because my water bottle is empty and it's flat, it is just zipped up. But then when I get through security, I will go to the fountain at Stansted Airport and I will refill this for free, and then that will go in the side pocket there. In this top floating pocket for this particular trip, I have my liquids. So liquids are kind of meant to be going soon, but I doubt I'm going to change the way I pack. I'm quite happy doing things the way I do. So in here, because again it is like a swimming pool spa thing, I do have some shampoo, some conditioner, some sun cream because it is meant to be like 30 degrees. I have my toothpaste, my lip balm, and then I also have a teeny tiny like sample size of deodorant. So these are all in the bag ready for security. Stansted do have 2 scanners right now, unless they've got any more since I last flew. They do have 2 scanners where the liquids can stay in the bag, but because it's not on every single scanner, it's best to always be prepared. And then inside, if we open it up, it does open completely like a suitcase. And because obviously with backpacks, you do tend to load things from the bottom up, I don't actually use this bottom one so much. I only really put flat things in this pocket. But in this top one, again, to try and keep some of the bulk at the top, in here I do have my dry stuff wash bag. So in there I've got my folding toothbrush and my folding brush. And then because it's a spa break, again you're having to take a little bit of extra things, so I do have my travel towel that I will be using. The spa also say that they like you to have flip-flops that have never been outside, so they have to be like clean for like the swimming pool area floor. You can buy flip-flops from the spa for about £4, but I just picked up these ones for £1 on my last trip, so I've got my flip-flops ready to go. I then have some snacks. I might get breakfast, but I might just eat these. I don't think I have a microwave, but these are meant to be like oatmeal bars that you can put in a microwave and heat up, but if I don't have a microwave, I'll just eat them cold. It's no problem. I then have my adapter, which is the reason why I only travel with the leads, because this one fits all around the world. It's got all the different plugs on it, and it's got 4 charging ports, although I doubt I'll be needing that many on this trip because I am only there for a night. And then as for clothes, I have a complete change of clothes because I am only going for a night. So in here, I do have my pair of shorts. I then also have a vest top. I then have pajamas. And then I also have my bikini because obviously swimming, I'm going to get wet. And then, I'll need some underwear. I haven't packed that yet, but I'll need to put that in too. And then I also have a 1/4 zip long sleeve top as well. I will be wearing a hoodie to go in, but then again, I can either double this up under my hoodie if it gets cold on the way back, or if I need another layer if it happens to get dirty. So that is everything that is in the main cabin bag. And then I'm also taking my belt bag because obviously while my backpack is on my back, things like the things that I need to have access to are then like on your back, which is no problem. You can keep taking your backpack off. But I do then have a belt bag, which I either wear like diagonally across my front, or I put it around my middle and hide it under my sweatshirt. But in this bag here, I will have my Kindle. Then I've obviously got things like my passport, my money, a power bank. I might put my phone in here if I don't want it in my pocket. And then I will also be taking my MP3 player and headphones, just so I've got some options of things to do on the flight. So that is everything that I am taking for a weekend spa break within a Ryanair bag. Obviously, as I said, it is easier to pack for a weekend trip because you do only really need 1 change of clothes, and because it is going to be hot there, I can pack lighter, smaller stuff. But if you have any more questions about traveling with hand luggage only, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I will answer them as best as I can. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.